If you're looking to set up a vocal shortcut in iOS 18, it can be a great way to automate tasks and trigger actions using just your voice. The feature is particularly useful for quickly performing actions without having to navigate through apps or settings manually. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you set up a vocal shortcut. Solution 1. Enable vocal shortcut. Open Settings on your iPhone, scroll down, tap Accessibility, scroll down. Tap Vocal Shortcut, turn this on. Tap Add Action, tap Continue. Now, select your action. Scroll down. Here, I'll select a camera. Now, enter a phrase that you want to speak to. Take the action. Here, I'll add words like open camera. Tap Go. Now, I need to say the phrase 3 times. Like open camera, and open camera. Keep in mind you can say whatever you want to say for action. Tap Continue. Now just say open camera of whatever you set your phrase. You'll see the action will happen. If I say open camera, it will open my camera apps. Following the same process, you add as many actions as you want with the vocal shortcut. By following these steps, you can easily set up vocal shortcuts on iOS 18, making it even more convenient to perform tasks using your voice. If you're still having trouble with the feature, consider checking your settings or updating to the latest versions of iOS.